Pete Conway. Just a quick video to sort of set you off in the right direction. I want you to think about what you're doing. As products evolve, like Alpha 5 has evolved now into Alpha Anywhere, the power of it today is far more advanced than it was 12 months ago and 2 years ago. And a lot of people, including yourself, I think need to sort of get with it and move on into this new era. And you can see here that some of the components, like the image gallery and all those types of things, they were good in their day and they're still maybe useful to people. But if you want to connect with data and do your AJAX callbacks to have really fast, sappy, relevant databases and good-looking databases, I really do think that you should invest a lot of time in learning what's new in the new product. So anyway, look, just to illustrate this, here you can see I've got a SQL table with a description and an image reference field. Now, image reference field is just the name of a field these days. All it is the name of an image, and in this case, this image will be located in the web root in the folder that we've allocated in the alias or in the web root. So that's where the image will reside, and this just tells it to go and get it. If we didn't want to do that, we could have an image blog and upload the image into that blog. Either way, people can point and shoot and add either this name or that image to this table, and it will work. We've got a description over here, and that's fine. So let's move on. Now, what I want to show you is what I mean about time moves on with components. I made a gallery. I did this from scratch in about an hour, from going up to a site and finding out, this isn't my car, I wish it was. Images, bits and pieces, bit of demo text just to show you here. So you can see here I've got quite a nice look, and I've got, this is in a UX component, and I'm only using one data control. There it is there. And here it is in the A5W page. I've got a wallpaper and a logo, and I've embedded the UX control. And that's the extent of my application. That's it. That's done. So what happens? Let's have a look. Well, this is the end result, and I'll refresh the web page just to show you that it's no slouch. So there it is, and as you can see, I have now got my data in a table being represented in a gallery with a background that looks very professional, and I can upload and download as many of these images as I like now in this environment, and I can also click on anything and get to anything else, because this is a database component. It's not the image gallery, it's not anything else. These are real records, and this is real data behind here that's actually making this work. So anywhere I click on this thing can be hot, and I can get to anything else. So I'm going to help you, but what you got to do is you got to help as well. You've got to let me know what you want to try to achieve and how you're going about it, so that we can sort of, and if you're using Alpha Anywhere, great. If you're not, then you're behind the 8 ball from the start, so I suggest you make the move. But so let's just work you through it step by step. Happy to do that. Got a lot on my plate, but I can see you're struggling, and I'm happy to help you. But just think about what you're doing and come back with some answers.